Hi, good morning.
What are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna go play in the dirt over there.
You gonna play in the dirt pile? Okay. Well, she's gonna go play in the dirt pile. I'm going on the roof to check the roof for it's leaking. But I gotta get the ladder out and get it up there and see where it's leaking. I think it might be that vent cover up there in the restroom. Leaked on top of the sink and warped the countertop, so and look at all of this. It's gone. White trim. I don't know what this is, and I guess that used to be just lay in with the water drainage. They've got a crack right there, probably leaking water there. And let's look up here. Yeah, got some cracks all the way around it. This one don't look too bad, but I need to get some sealer and go around these cracks. So I need to reorder all of this trim work. It's all gone from the top side. Wish I could afford to have a new roof put on, but I can't afford it right now. Well, got up here and there's some pretty good cracks. This dome needs to be replaced. It's got cracks all in it. Got pretty good cracks all the way around. So I'm gonna put some of this ultra bright white roof coating on it. This one looks all right. Just this one. Oh, we just brush it on. Well, that's what I'm gonna do for now, guys. So I'm gonna try to locate this dome and probably replace the whole thing. And check this one out. I don't know why they think they gotta have all this crap. Y'all have a good day, guys. Bye. Well, guys, I'm up on the roof again of the RV, and had a slide out problem with this rubber folding under and not coming back out. But I noticed this, and I should have noticed this when I bought this thing. It's all messed up. Got some little rot right there. I don't know why it tore this, but you can tell somebody patched over it. But this rubber, I can't even get this to push in, and it's folded under down there. This track is all messed up. I think there's supposed to be like a plastic molding that goes inside your gutter here, otherwise it leaks at the seams. But anybody got any ideas on how to fix this crap? I might have to take it all loose, put it back under the carport. I don't know. This is crazy. Of course, I didn't know much about slide outs when I bought this camper. It looked great, but it's all them little hidden things that you don't see. So I'm gonna spray some of this silicone lubricant on the rubber, and hopefully it'll flop in and out. But this slide don't seem like it's adjusted right when it goes in and out. And I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to work, guys. This top will hit when it comes in. Top will hit first, then the bottom sucks in. So if that's not right, will somebody please let me know if it's supposed to just come in evenly up against the trailer. Look, I replaced these rubbers I think about 1.5 years ago, and they're already messed up. But that's my problem right now, guys. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix this. I don't know that much about campers. Oh well. Anybody out there's got any suggestions, let me know. Probably tell me to sell the son of a gun. But it's a great camper, but it's just got a few problems like that. That's the biggest problem it's got right now. Everything else works. So, y'all have a great and blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Y'all leave me some comments on what to do about it, or how to do about it, and how to adjust this slide right. If it's right, I don't know. Later, guys.